What is inflammation? Inflammation, which is a part of the body's natural healing system, helps fight injury and infection. But it does not just happen in response to injury and illness. An inflammatory response can also occur when the immune system goes into action without an injury or infection to fight. Signs of inflammation. Types of inflammation. Acute inflammation, chronic inflammation. Acute inflammation often causes noticeable symptoms such as pain, redness, or swelling. Acute inflammation goes away within hours or days. Chronic inflammation can last months or years even after the first trigger is gone. Chronic inflammation may lead to diabetes, cancer, cardiovascular diseases, Alzheimer's diseases, pulmonary diseases, arthritis, autoimmune diseases, neurological diseases. When you have arthritis, your body is in an inflammatory state. What you eat may not only increases inflammation, it can also set you up for other chronic conditions such as obesity, heart diseases, and diabetes. Here is the list of food ingredients that may trigger more inflammation in your body. 1. Sugar. It may be hard to resist desserts, pastries, chocolate bars, sodas, even fruit juices. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition warns that processed sugars trigger the release of inflammatory messenger called cytokines. If look out for any fructose or sucrose on an ingredients label, you need to avoid these ingredients to prevent inflammation. 2. Saturated fats. Several studies have shown that saturated fats trigger adipose inflammation, which is not only an indicator for heart diseases, but it is also worsens arthritis inflammation. Pizza and cheese are the biggest sources of saturated fats. Meat products, especially red meat, full fat dairy products, pasta dishes. 3. Trans fats. Trans fats can be found in fast foods and other fried products, processed snack foods. Frozen breakfast products, cookies, donuts, crackers, and most stick margarines. Avoid foods with partially hydrogenated oils in the ingredient labels. 4. Omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids are an essential fatty acids that the body needs for normal growth and development. The body needs a healthy balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Excess consumption of omega-6 can trigger the body to produce pro-inflammatory chemicals. These fatty acids are found in oils such as corn, safflower, sunflower, grapeseed, soya, peanut, and vegetables, mayonnaise, and many salad dressings. 6. Refined carbohydrates. White flour products, white rice, white potatoes, and many cereals are refined carbohydrates. Processed carbohydrates may trump fats as the main driver of escalating rates of obesity and other chronic conditions. 7. Monosodium glutamate. Monosodium glutamate is a flavor enhancing food additive most commonly found in prepared Asian food and soya sauce. It can also be added to fast foods, prepared soups and soup mixes, salad dressings, and deli meats. This chemical can trigger two important pathways of chronic inflammation and affect liver health. 8. Gluten and casein. People who have joint pain and are sensitive to gluten found in wheat, barley, and rye, or casein found in dairy products, in which gluten sets off an autoimmune response that damages the small intestine and sometimes causes joint pain, may find relief when they adopt a gluten free diet.